Let's create the heart out of a square. Start with a slip knot and chain 7 plus 1. Or any number you prefer. First, we're going to create a square. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Repeat this across the row. Here we have row 1 of single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, and repeat the same steps for the next row. And since we are making a square, continue until you have 7 rows of single crochets. So, from foundation chains plus 7 rows of single crochet. If you find it difficult to keep your edges straight, check out my other video, Novice to Pro, Straight Edges. Now that we have our square, find the center of both sides. Or place a stitch marker to mark the middle. Next, let's form the top curves of the heart shape. We will make a cluster of 10 double crochets in the center, but don't start with 3 chains. Yarn over once, insert your hook into the middle point of the square, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Altogether, we must have 10 double crochets. We have completed 10 double crochets. Slip stitch into the corner of the square to secure it. Now let's repeat the same process on the opposite side. Create a cluster of 10 double crochets, then slip stitch into the corner. finish, single crochet around the edges for a clean look. Then fasten off, and your crochet heart is complete. Thank you for watching, and happy crocheting!